Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to understand preemption in Guidewire PolicyCenter. We will cover what preemption is, why it happens, a real-time example, and the tester perspective. So make sure to watch till the end. Preemption means one transaction overrides or replaces another transaction. The word preemption literally means to take priority, and that is exactly what happens here. When two transactions are created on the same policy, one transaction takes priority and makes the other transaction invalid. Preemption usually happens when multiple users are working on the same policy. Two transactions are created at the same time. A newer transaction overrides an older one, or when a midterm endorsement is started after a cancellation is already in progress. The system always considers the latest valid transaction. Let's take a simple example. User 1 starts a policy change transaction to add a new vehicle. At the same time, User 2 starts an address change transaction on the same policy. User 2 completes and binds their transaction first. Later, when User 1 tries to complete their transaction, the system shows a message that the transaction is preempted. This means User 1's transaction is no longer valid and needs to be restarted. When preemption occurs, the system invalidates the older transaction, shows a warning or error message to the user, and requires the user to restart their transaction with the latest policy data. This helps maintain data consistency and accuracy across all transactions. From a tester's perspective, preemption scenarios are very important to validate. Testers need to verify concurrent user handling, transaction conflicts, error and warning messages, and data consistency. To simulate this, open the same policy in two different browser sessions and try completing both transactions simultaneously. Verify that the system correctly preempts the older transaction and displays the appropriate warning message. These scenarios are very common in real-time insurance projects and must not be missed during testing. So this is all about preemption in Guidewire PolicyCenter. Remember, preemption protects data integrity by ensuring only the latest valid transaction is applied to a policy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. More Guidewire concepts are coming soon.